In a recent and a powerful public statement, forensic scientist and TV whistleblower Shepard Yuda raised a serious concern about Vice President Chiwenga's ongoing actions, particularly with continued blocking of Mary Chiwenga, his estranged wife, from seeing their children. Yuda's sharp remarks question the moral standing of the situation, bringing attention to the psychological and emotional toll it could have on the children. Zanapena mashoko atinoona kuti VP Chiwenga vaiswa pakona pamusoro penhau yekunzi aiwa vari kuti vana vavo vasanoona amai vavo avo vamboziva kuti panguva ino aiwa she has been amputated leg and a hand panokuva kuti she is in a critical condition ari kuona kuti she is not well. Zanapena mashoko amudanyikwa pana murobva wasubscribe like turn the bell icon tingina zibaya mundonyekwa muchinzi Yuda's heartfelt concern over the long-term impact of this ongoing separation is palpable. One day is one day. The kids will demand their mom. Believe me, Yuda says, warning that such action will not go without consequence. The children, he emphasizes, will eventually ask questions and want answers from both their father and society at large. The damage Yuda implies is already unfolding in real time as Mary Chiwenga, caught in a storm of personal, legal and health troubles, finds the situation broadcast across the internet. Imagine the mom is all over the internet, cut the pieces, and generations will see them. Yuda laments, indicating that these actions are not just for the present, but will ripple across time and affect future generations. Anoposta this picture amurikona where these children vana vake vaMary na the VP vachiti aiwa kublokiwa kwavari kutoti vasaona amai vavo vachazodhimanda in the future. Ndokuti kuti painternet social media izvi zviri kuzara zvamuzivikanwa nemunhu wese zvichinzi aiwa chokwadi chinozongounfolda zvinongozongovadhakwira. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mina comment section medu, subscribe, like, turn the bell icon.